back inside for a bit? Want to get on my finger? No? Okay, well, this little guy hit my window and I've been holding him in my hand for a while, trying to let him. There he goes. Hi, buddy. You thanking me, huh? Oh, and you're gonna sit on me. Hi, bud. You're okay? You're okay? You're okay? Oh boy, I'm sorry you had a bad time of it there. You okay? You're gonna be all right. I'll put up something over these windows. It's okay, you just get your bearings. Oh, you okay? You okay? You want me to take you back inside for a bit? Want to get on my finger? No? Oh, man. Usually they just bounce off and it's kind of sad. Oh, there he goes. Hey, buddy. Hey, so that was a little bit of fun. I'm sorry that I haven't gotten anything photographic for you lately, but you know, this is part of life up here at the studio, having the birds smack into the window. A lot of times they'll come up and they'll just hover and they'll tap at the glass when I haven't got the feeders full. And today, this was a little more serious. He smacked in there pretty hard and I could see him laying out there lifeless and felt really bad for him. But held him in my hand for 10 minutes, warmed him up a little bit. He got his bearings and he's off eating at the feeders again. So happy about that. But anyway, I'd like to thank you for watching, and I'll get to something more photographic again real soon. I just wanted to tell you, thank you very much for watching, because I'm within 50 hours of my, my 4,000 watch hour goal. And after that, we'll see what happens. So anyway, thanks very much for watching, and I'll talk to you again next time. Take care. Bye.